It is time to pack. I'm leaving in about 13 hours, so yeah, it's time to pack. This can no longer be avoided, this mess. I got a Delta flight purposely so that I would have a carry-on because I wanted to bring just a carry-on. As you can see, my carry-on is already full and we have all this to pack. So this should be fun. And I also extended my trip to be for not just 2 weeks, but a month. And you might have noticed I sound a little bit off and I might look a little unwell. And that's because I am a little bit unwell. So this is just a fabulous time. But I'm a roller. Who is a roller versus a folder? I definitely like the rolling method. This is full because I kept just throwing things in there that I knew I wanted to bring and that I would not be using. So that's why I have these things already in there. I'm just gonna roll everything up and like set it here, and then I'll go in and organize. I would like to bring this bag as my personal item. It's pretty big, but if I can't fit everything, then I'll bring this backpack, which is also quite sizable. So to be determined which one of those I will be using. This is all just a mess, but we're gonna roll. We're rolling everything up. So far I have 2 pairs of pants, 1 pair of shorts. I think the other pair of shorts is in here somewhere. Also, these laundry bags come with these items that I get from SheFit, if you know, you know, and each one comes with a laundry bag, so I have tons of these, and they're great for organizing things when you're traveling, or I even use them every day to organize things, so I have like underwear and things all together in here. That way, in case anything needs to get opened up in the airport, because I've definitely had that happen before, everything personal doesn't just fly out. Should I continue with the bottoms? Yeah, okay. A little bit disorganized in the head. Anyways, I am so excited for this trip. I have not seen my family in a year. It's been a year since I've seen my family. So I'm very excited to see them. And I'm just not excited that I'm sick. I've been looking forward to this for months. And now when it comes, I'm sick. But I'm recovering in the name of Jesus. Amen. There's a skirt. These are like beach bottoms because I'm going to go to the beach while I'm there. Those are all my pants right there. And now let's work on shorts. Okay, these are like the only swimsuits I'm bringing because I do have swimsuits there at my house. Yeah, I forgot to say I'm staying at a deluxe resort that has clothes and pajamas and things for me. And that's called my house. Let me put this in with these, I guess. There's space in here. I like these little shirts that are so tiny when they roll up. That's great. This shirt is a little bit chunky, but she'll come with me. Some of these things I want to leave because I don't get that much wear out of them here. So I'm trying to bring the things they don't get a lot of wear out of, and that way I can not only get wear out of them while I'm there, but then I can just leave them like this thing. Oh, and I have this cute little thing for toiletries. I filled up all my toiletries in these little bottles. I bought this off Amazon, which I felt was maybe a little bit extra, but I just wanted to have my things because I'm trying to stay on a skincare regimen and a hair care regimen to see if consistency with the same products makes a difference since I stopped Curology because I don't ship here anyways, and they're expiring. If I bought like 4 at a time when I was back home, they would be expired, which I don't know if I trust their expiration date because maybe they just set it to be earlier, but I probably should, so I was just done with it anyways, always having to move the subscription. Now onto my dresses. 2 dresses. I feel like that's not enough. This time I did pick a flight that was at a good time, so I wouldn't have to wake up at 3 a.m. again, but they changed the flight. The thick one. This one I picked because I know it's not going to take up a lot of space. I'm very excited. Have I said that yet? We're making progress. Oh wait, I have another shirt. Oh my goodness, and these hair ties. These are my sister's hair ties. I saved them for you. I'm thinking about putting my sneakers in a bag because the other day I stomped on a fly at the gym and I was like, it's kind of gross. Like thinking about all the things I step on, and then I put them in my suitcase with all my clothes and stuff. So I think I'm gonna get a plastic bag. These are my wedding shoes, and I'm gonna wear them for my big event there, and then I'm just gonna leave them there because I wore them for like our anniversary date, but Besides that, I don't get that much wear out of them. They're packing my sneakers, but I do want to pack my socks in them first. So then, not only do they not get crushed, but I have a place for my socks. Wait, do I only have 3 pairs of black socks? I swear, I started out with more than that. Putting the white socks now. Y'all can go in there. Next pair of shoes is these sandals, which are super amazing and space efficient. Thank you for that. I'm hungry. I didn't really eat lunch, did I? Ew, this is dirty inside. Wait, let me dump it out. Where's my passport? Put it in there on purpose. I'm gonna have another coughing fit if I keep talking. Should probably just shut up. Y'all might have noticed the video just cut a little bit and things might look a little bit different. Maybe I didn't stack up the Leaning Tower of Pisa exactly how it was. Because I filmed this entire video and I did not check if it was still filming. Apparently my phone ran out of space, which is just my favorite thing. Let me try to explain this more calmly. You might notice things look a little bit different and the video cut because it stopped filming and it ran out of space and I didn't realize until I'd already packed everything up. So because I want to be genuine with you, I'm telling you this is not going to be like me packing everything for the first time. Sadly, that happened 20 minutes ago. At the end of round 1, I did say I wanted to try to pack. I was considering unpacking and packing to see if I could put this in here instead of having to like carry it around all day. I did consider like putting this on the big handle that comes out, but I might try that this time. I have my shoes here at the bottom. I forgot to put these in last time. I'm not sure I want them at the bottom. I did like having these at the base here. I might flip these shoes at the higher part. My feet go in at the back, and then there's like a lower spot for this to be in the middle. Yeah, let's see if this works with the hat. Also, let's see if I can do this twice. Then it'll be the real test. Yeah, that's looking a little bit puffy, but yeah, this will work like that. So I just need to fill in that bottom part right there. So that dress can go there. I can still fit some big stuff over here. Can I? Well, yes. Okay. And then this is like not really the ideal fit for that, but that's okay. It's gonna be a little crushed. All right, so I'm holding this hat here so that I can see the shape it's gonna be. If the hat thing doesn't work, I'll just take the hat out. It's not a big deal. I've worn it in the airport before, and honestly, this is kind of annoying me, so yeah, I don't know about how I feel about this. Let's see. Can fit like a couple more things underneath. I don't know. I want to do that. If I just want to carry it. I hate carrying things too. Let me just try. Let me just try. These shorts are kind of flat. Like I could kind of shove them in the top. Same with that thing. Oh, these shoes. I forgot the shoes the first time too. What round are we on? Oh lordy, what in the world? Oh, it's not going as well with the hat. I'm thinking it's better if I just leave it out. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're just going to continue packing. I'll just sling it around like a cowboy, cowgirl, whatever. This shirt will go good right there. And I was also considering grabbing that jumpsuit, which I might do. There we go. And shorts, t-shirt, lots of little ties. Kind of want something to like not have these shoes crammed up against the top. Oh, this. Let me grab my jumpsuit, see if that will fit in here. This little shirt can fit in there. I do want to wear this when I'm there. It better not be dirty. Why is it like that? Oh, I'm exhausted. The space is a little bit tight. I'm going to leave some of the stuff there, as I mentioned. Let's try buckling this up. There we go. 2 sides. Ah, those shoes kind of worry me, to be honest. All right. And these 2 things are kind of flat. This kimono and these shorts. There's this like pocket there. I'm just gonna slap. Oh, don't fall. There we have it. Is this even enough? How many shirts do I have? Like I have some things there that I can wear. Like I know of at least like 2 dresses that are already there that I'm planning to wear. I have workout clothes there, thankfully. She's filled up. Now we play the game of how many things can we shove in the top. Lovely. These are just all like self-contained little things. Have all my technology. This is from Charlotte Russe. I worked there my senior year, and I still have this little thing. The hat will not fit. It's just making me uncomfortable. I'm making the hat uncomfortable too. Toiletries. There's a few more things I want to put in here, but they'll fit. And what's the sticker? Can I take this off? I was just begging to come off. Ew, why is it like that on the back? Why would you do that to me? Now it's probably gonna attract dirt and then look gross. Thank you so much. 1-star review. Okay. Oh, we did it. And this is what I was talking about. The hat. Hopefully this doesn't break. This hat is a little bit old, or at least this thing's a little bit stretched out. Going to the beach does not help things stay young, I've noticed. But anyways, that can be like that if it bothers me so much. So that's great. Now, I honestly think I can do it. I can bring this bag. I don't have to wear my backpack. And this, well, I guess I can't really put that there all the time if that hat's going to be there. I could. It's a possibility. Let's see how much it fills up. This has lots of space in it and has all these nice little pockets. It has this big one here for the laptop, and then another one outside of it that doesn't have the zipper. It has a water bottle pouch there, and it has another one here that can also like snap out. This one snaps out. It has a zipper pouch here, another non-zipper, and then a little thing for pens, and a little thing for your phone. Phone fits nicely there, or maybe a card. And there's this little nifty thing on the outside for my passport. Shoop. It's awesome. It's a great bag. I love it. Thank you, Dad, for this bag. Now we're gonna pack it. I think everything should fit pretty easily. Water bottle, priorities. This is gonna be annoying my face. I'll put that down. How much do I really need? Do I really need all of this? I don't think I need all of this junk. This is not the best storing situation for these earrings, but that's okay. This is my makeup. That's going at the bottom. This is more jewelry. I love this. My dad got me this too, and it has my name on it. That's really cute. It has my earrings, some bracelets, rings. So, necklaces. Am I gonna bring necklaces? I'll try to wear jewelry tomorrow. And then my wallet. Oh, this. Duh. Let me put this at the bottom. I'm not gonna want access to those necessarily. It's all coming together. Look at that. Is it gonna be heavy? Well, I always make my stuff heavy. This just has a magnet there. It can still magnet together. That's a good sign. My sunglasses. And then I have this bag. And that's it. Oh God, that's heavy. Why do I do this to myself? Okay, we did it. We're leaving. Oh shoot, I might need to pack these shoes. We did it. Well, I'm so glad this all worked out. And I'm very excited for this trip. I get to see my family for the first time in a year. Thank you for putting up with my sick voice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.